Why splash out on furniture with only one use? Whether you want to free up floor space in your snug studio apartment, or simply wish your living areas were more flexible, these ingenious shape-shifting designs are a real game changer. From rotating wall beds to fold-out kitchens, sit back and watch these super smart furnishings transform before your eyes. 1. Luxurious rotating double bed. Okay, so it's not Narnia, but we think a double bed hidden behind a bookcase is still pretty cool. Without having to remove any books or ornaments, the unit rotates 180 degrees to reveal a pull-down bed, which can then be carefully lowered. An ideal way to make your living room multitask as a spare bedroom too. 2. Sophisticated sliding breakfast bar. The wooden worktop, available from box 15, slides across the island base, extending to create a handy breakfast bar and revealing the modern stove hidden below. An ideal solution for snug kitchens or studios, the counter can be slid back into place when not in use to free up valuable thoroughfare space. 3. Extendable table, fit for a dinner party. The lacquered tabletop slides open, extending to form a generous dining table, while the adjustable folding legs rise and lock into place. Thanks to this innovative invention, you can go from kicking back and relaxing on the sofa to hosting a dinner party in no time. Pretty smart. 4. A Luxe Single Bed in a flash. An ideal way to keep your social spaces guest ready, the back of this ingenious armchair reclines, the seat unfurls, and additional feet unfold to create a luxe single bed for occasional visitors. A great addition to mid-century modern schemes. We can't imagine a comfier slumber spot. 5. Convertible Toddler Bed. Once your little one starts to find their feet, the lolly crib from All Modern can easily be transformed into a toddler bed, with the cot bars swapped out for a handy safety rail that comes with the conversion kit. Best of all, the frame is made with eco-friendly materials and non-toxic paint, so you don't have to worry about teething. 6. Compact home office desk. The dark wooden worktop folds flat and locks in place against the white unit, which then flips down to open out a single bed. Surely the ultimate live workspace, this nifty piece of furniture allows a home office to double up as a comfortable daybed for any siestas you might need. 2 for the price of 1. 7. Convertible dining table for 2. A clever swinging mechanism rearranges the shelves into a flat tabletop, which rests on the industrial-style metal legs. Rather than dragging the unit across the room each time it's needed, save time and effort by using it as a space divider in an open-plan room, setting it at a right angle to the wall so that it can be quickly converted when necessary. 8. An ingenious hidden filing cabinet. Whoever said filing cabinets need to be uninspiring metal boxes? This elegant storage unit cleverly utilizes hidden internal compartments and angled sliding doors to conceal those dreaded documents until you really need them. 9. Cozy pull-down bed. A hidden bed pulls down from the wall and over the sofa without any need to rearrange the room. Available from wallbed.co.uk, it can comfortably sleep 2 people for the night, and when not in use, it's easily tucked away out of sight in the recess of the streamlined storage unit. Genius! 10. An ingenious fold-out kitchen. That's right, the innovative unit contains a full kitchen. Requiring only 17 square feet of space, plus water and electricity connections, it's a smart way to maintain separate living zones in a multifunctional room. Manufactured by Diz Concept, the fold-out kitchen includes a dishwasher, fridge, oven, integrated cooker hood, LED lighting, and an array of storage cabinets. Everything you need to cook up a storm in style.